Since February of 2021, the Australian dollar has lost almost 22% against the US dollar. Now, the main early driver of the move seemed to be a much more aggressive response to the pandemic than that of the US, not just in Australia, but in China as well, which is a close trading partner with Australia. The Aussie dollar also has a tendency to trade in correlation with the Japanese yen, and the BOJ has allowed the yen to fall to levels against the dollar not seen in over 20 years in their attempt to keep interest rates low and finally break their decades-long pattern of deflation. As expected, Australian yields have trailed the U.S. as the Australian 2-year currently trades at 3.3% compared to the U.S. 2-year trading at 4.3%. At the Bank of Australia's last meeting in early October, they raised their cash rate by 25 basis points, which was less aggressive than the market anticipated. Now, to be fair, current U.S. Fed policy has driven the dollar up against almost all global currencies, and this theme appears poised to continue as the Fed repeatedly signals a myopic focus on inflation, even if it means job losses and continued asset weaknesses. CME Group offers 3 different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micro in these examples. If a trader believes that the Aussie dollar's weakness could continue, they could express that by selling the December micro Australian dollar futures contract at 0.6258 and targeting a move down to 0.6000. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 0.6425. This trade could make $258 if the target is reached and risks $167 if you're stopped out at your level. Now, if a trader believes that the Aussie dollar could rally from here, perhaps on expectations of a Fed pivot, they could express that by buying the December micro Australian dollar futures contract at 0.6258 and targeting a move to July lows of 0.6650. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 0.5990. This trade could make $392 if the target is reached and risks $268 if you're stopped out of your level.